Hello my people, welcome to Chinedu Talk YouTube for Pidgin. Today I want to talk about something where they bother me. I see something for one of this platform. Maybe say the team pay me well as I say but not everybody they try to do their own business. But then I want to encourage all my friends, my subscribers, and all the people they watch this video. So if you want to grow in YouTube, you want to grow for YouTube, monetize like others. They get so many things where if you see, they put your eye there. One of them now this thing why they show you now. One of them now be this thing. Like I just read waiting there, then I'm gonna tell you one story. I see this thing for one of this platform where these persons, I don't know who them be, but I will cover their name, make them know say they do and they spoil their business. Then put subscriber package, 1K real active niche based subscriber. Then put 46K, deliver in 7 days. Then put watch hour package, 4,000 organic monetizable watch hour, 120K, deliver in 21 days. Then put AdSense setup, verify AdSense account setup, 30K, done in 14 days. Then put another one, engagement boost package, monthly organic engagement campaign, 100K plus review. Then put 250K, 30 days campaign. So my people, some time ago I've been get one of this one of my channel where I do African folk tales. African folk tales now the one we say you use AI generate all those Nigerian images or so, depending on which kind of stories they tell. Then you go use AI, use one of these voice text to speech apps to do the voice. Then you're gonna match the voice with the images and the rest. So you create your video, edit them, then post them. So I did do those videos for one of my channel. And I come across something like this. I go mumu, now mumu worry me. Yeah, they feel say I want them fast. I go foolishly go buy the idea. Go put my money inside the thing. Yes, I put my money inside the thing. They give me sub, oh. They give me sub. They give me sub less than 24 hours. If you see they can't sub where they inside my channel, they can't sub what they see and they watch hour. But after sometimes 2 days, everything started to come out back. All the sub, they just they unsubscribe. They watch hour now, so you take the reduce. But do you know the most painful thing they say? Since that very day, till the very time why I stopped the post for that channel, because I then stopped the post for that channel, I don't get any sub again. My watch hour no go again. Rather, everything just go down. So, and I don't come across so many people for this same platform where they talk about say no good. All this way they see people they tell you sub for sub, join this app, give so money that they will help give you your view, help give you the number of subscribers where you need to subscribe. No good. This same platform they know about all those things, and they not be momo. For these people to get this platform, they don't get robot where go fit detect all those things. And when they detect all these things, guy, that your channel don't go. This particular channel why they tell you now, almost getting to 2 years, but I dumped the channel. I no agree do anything again because you know work again. I dumped the channel after some like I think either 8 months. Now I leave that channel. What I do is I can't delete all the videos where they I can't rebrand the channel back. When I rebrand the channel back, I change the niche why they do there. Change the niche, then I start the channel now again. But since I start the channel again, how many views I don't get? So if you're ready to sacrifice your channel, make you know what they sacrifice your channel for. You know what time. Leave all those people, they do their own business. They do their own business. You see this platform, they get ways to grow for this platform. That particular channel why they talk about, then be this why they try open now. So what thing I do be say, I just forget about all the videos where they did. Delete everything. When I delete everything, I rebrand the channel back. Then I use them, they manage somebody's YouTube account. Now what I do, I use them. One of my brothers started to create content. I use them, they manage the account for them. Then now, presently now, as you can see, we'll get 8 video for the channel, and the 8 video now gets 35 subscribers. But when you click this more button here, it will show you say I don't start this channel since 2024, since June 2024. Now when I start this channel, but due to that problem with this channel gets, because of say I go do this thing why they tell you people now, nothing why I do the way they work. So I need to abandon this channel, leave them for 8 months, then I clean them up, start again. So I just want to tell you people, there's no shortcuts for this platform where they see. So what till they think of, they know all those things, then get robots where they detect all those things. So the best way to grow, forget about this thing where they put here, sub, this, they will give you, you will monetize your channel. If YouTube be very easy, then the people for them, people will get 100 channel. Whatever you go see, one person will get 100 channel, pay people, they will give them all those things, they will make their money. Then these people where they tell you this thing now, say they will help you do this thing. If the thing they work, why they not do them by themselves, they make their money? For this Nigeria, many people won't make money, show you how they think they make their money. So forget about these people. This thing that to kill your channel, they try to do, forget about them. The best way for you to get subscriber, the best way for you to get subscriber, that to be consistent in what you they do. Anything way they do for YouTube, no do today, you go come today, tomorrow you no go come, next week now you go come. If they post video, they consistent. If they post daily, they post daily. If not 2 days, they post 2 days. And they post videos where get value. Once your videos get value, once your videos they solve problem, your videos either they make people laugh, they make people cry, they make people they happy, they make people they serious for anything where you do. As far as people they watch them, they happy, they okay. Your video they create value, and when your video they create value, people go to subscribe. And remember, when you create more video lead to more view, lead to more watch hour, lead to more subscriber. So you just need to do consistency in what you they do, and before you know, all this way they write for you here, instead of it to put you for a while, you go get them genuinely, organically. Even though they put organically here, you go get them on your own without all this thing, and there's no shortcuts. Forget about this. People will tell you, say start YouTube channel today. In 3 months, you go demonetize. My God, and I lie. I don't they run YouTube business for some time. When I start my YouTube newly, then one of my channel, Williams Media, I think it take me 6 months to meet up the requirements to get monetized in that niche. But that 6 months I hear and my eyes tell me 24 hours a day for system they create video. As I they publish, as I they create the next one, I don't get any job to do. So you will get something where they do if you sacrifice that thing when the YouTube never started to pay you. So if now 2 days they make your video, make it be consistent, make it be 2 days. With time, give yourself 1 to 6 months, you go meet the requirements. And the easiest way to meet this requirement, I just tell you, create video where get value. Anything where they push them, make it be something where get value. And once you get value, people go to watch them, people go to patronize you, people go to subscribe, you go to get your watch hour. So the second one, they say watch hour. The best way to get watch hour, like I tell you, the best way to build your watch hour and to do longer video. And not be to do longer video, but the thing, do longer video where get value. Not just do because they say do longer video, you go get watch hour. Do longer video where get value. I want to show you people another thing again now. I get this channel, one of my channel again. I just started this channel last month. Last month, now I start this particular channel. Now this channel is all about traveling. All about traveling. I love documentary videos so much. So most of my videos now documentary video and faceless channels. So this channel is all about traveling, about beautiful places that you can go for your vacation, spend your money, relax, enjoy your life, and forget about your problem. So on this channel, I started this channel just a month and now. So let me just go to the end button. So when I go to the end button now, see, these are the requirements where you need to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, the first monetization, you need to get 500 subscribers, and then you need to get 3,000 watch hours. So when you get this 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour, then they go monetize you the first one. This monetization, you're not going to make money. YouTube not going to pay you for your video. They're not going to put ad for your video. But then if you they make money through gifts, people gift you, people like what they do, people give you some things. Then but when you hit 1,000, you will now get the normal monetization where you will start to make enough money. YouTube will put ads for your video, ad go they play for your video, then you go they make money. But what did I try to tell you here? I just publish, I don't know whether I 10 video I don't publish for here, just 10 video. That 10 video I don't get 125 subscribers. And I don't get I don't get watch hour 2,560. I get the watch hour I get here. See, I'm here. See watch hour I get here. 2,561 public watch hour. There I don't get. And I need 3,000 watch hour for here. That means I need less than 500 watch hour to meet the first requirements for the monetization. That is, if this subscriber reach reach 500. Meaning the 4,000 watch hour why I even need here now. When you come down the second monetization, I need 4,000 watch hour. I don't get more than half of the watch hour. I don't get more than half of the watch hour, which give and take before 5 months to come, this channel don't demonetize. So what they try to tell you here, forget about all these people where they try to tell you shortcut. There's no shortcut for YouTube. There's no shortcut for YouTube. I want to make I show you the number of video where they here. Okay, make I go to the home page so that I will show you the number of video where they here, your channel. So when you come here now, watch here. Watch this place where I just select now. This place where I just select now. 125 subscriber and 10 video. Just 10 video now I get there. I don't do almost meet my my watch hour. So why they try to show you this thing? Because some people say watch hour they very difficult to get than subscriber. I don't know which one, but I try to tell you the best way for you to get watch hour now to do longer video will get value. Because if you do longer video, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, this particular channel they do video almost 30 minutes there. But the lowest video I get here maybe now 17 minutes video, and the highest should be 34 or 31 minutes. So when you do video, we get value, we get longer time. It will give you more watch hour. So now the easiest way to get your watch hour on time to avoid all these feature problems, because if you go do all these things where this will put here, and tomorrow YouTube notice that, you know, that channel, you go regret why you get that channel. You go need to start afresh again. So I don't make this mistake, and I hear many people too complain say they don't make this mistake too. So you no suppose fall victim to these people. Now business people they need money, so and they can do anything to get money. So but you use your upstairs very well. If it dey easy, them for do them no go even show you, they go do them, they make their money. So but the only easy way there is to be consistent in what you do in YouTube. Anything they do, they consistent, and what they do make it be things where get value, where they give people value. And if you do them, you go to get your watch hour, you will get your subscriber, and give yourself between 5 to 6 months. You will be close to if you never make them. If you never hit the 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscriber where you need to get monetized, and make sure say you no get violation. So no, they look all these people. Then they here to deceive you people. Then they here just to deceive you people. And collect your money for your hand, then put your page into your channel into trouble. Forget about them, do your thing. Just create your content, be consistent, do video will get good value, and you go see people go rush to your channel and you go make your money. Then here again they say AdSense setup, verify AdSense account setup, 30K for how many days they even put themselves. Okay, they say for 14 days. My brother, this time around there, I don't know whether na old updates they get. You see, once you meet the requirement for monetization, immediately, if you apply, they will approve and you go monetize. There's nothing. Now, they need to send PIN again. They don't send AdSense PIN to post office again. You go do everything with your phone. Once you meet up the requirements, you fill every information to verify you. You know, before they say you get $10, they will send you AdSense PIN. You go take 1 month or 3 weeks to come and the rest. Then you're gonna put the PIN to verify. Now, nothing like that. When the last channel was monetized, they only send me, show me the link here. You choose the option to use my phone, verify. I put my phone, turn my face, turn my neck like this, and at the end of the day, they verify me. Less than 10 minutes, my AdSense account started to work. So you don't need to pay anybody that money for anything. All you just need to do is to learn how to do it, and go to YouTube here. You don't need to watch my own video. They get other videos there where they talk about them also. Go there, watch the videos and try the steps, and you go solve your problem. That's why you have YouTube. You know, YouTube is like search engine where you go, you search for anything you want and you get the answer immediately and solve your problem. So my people, if you like this video again, once again, the only thing we need to do for us to help us is just to touch the subscribe button. Just click that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime we publish videos like this, you will be the first to get the updates. And these videos we will publish, I believe say you go like them, because everybody won't grow for YouTube. You go like them, you go help you well, and also help us to share this video so that many people too will want all this information. Will never see them, go see them through you. So my brother, see you next time. And again, if you find it very difficult to create your YouTube channel, you don't know how to create them. I hear some people, they say that they pay money to create YouTube channel. My brother, you don't need any money to create YouTube channel. That data way they waste for nothing. Just use and watch this video while they show you here now. If you watch this video while they show you here, you will know how to create your YouTube channel from beginning to the end. I break them down. I break them down so they even Meshara go understand them. I break the video down. So try watch this video while they show you here now. See you in the next video.